I'm Jimmy,
I'm Dan.
and we're from Harley-Davidson Fargo. And we would want to invite you out to our spring 115th anniversary open house here at Harley-Davidson Fargo, May 12th. We got a lot going on that day we don't want you to miss out. We're going to have free 21-point inspections going on outside in our parking lot. We're going to have Harley-Davidson oil on sale for 15% off. Not to mention, we're going to have a free lunch as well that we want you to take advantage of, as well as a free happy hour in the afternoon. Plus, you can stop on in, register to win this brand new 80cc mini bike. You don't want to miss out. It's going to be a lot of fun. A lot going on celebrating Harley-Davidson's 115th anniversary spring open house.